Alright guys, welcome to today. Second day on the new board. We're back at Mammoth. I don't know what we're going to do today, but we're going to do it. Park's definitely going to be busier today. The weather's finally turned around. The fun fact about this new park design, they put the more expert level features on the left side and the beginner features on the right side for these first two new ones. But then as you get a little lower, it flops. The expert features on the right, the beginner on the left. So after the first two features, everyone's crisscrossing. You gotta be extra aware of stuff like that when you're in the park and pay attention to it. So when we hit these next two features, we're gonna look uphill to make sure we can actually get to the other features and not collide with anybody. A little fast. So we have one harder feature, two harder feature, and then we got to go to the other side of the run. So we're going to look up because the first coming this way. Now we're on the side with like the harder features again, but we just want to make sure we're not going to get hit.
Nice. On Instagram.
Heck yeah, nice to meet you, man. I'll wake up today. Here we go. Oh, you made it!
Let's get it.
Back in the house. Ow, ow, ow! Okay, so something we've been doing in Mammoth to take advantage of, one, our time here, but two, just late season snowboarding and like trying to take more days off, spend time with the family. We've been filming like a lot of videos. Awesome 3-minute gems of like things to think about while you're snowboarding or anything like that. So we're filming some of those right now. So if Cody's throwing some goofy tricks in the edit, which I know he's going to, that's why we're doing tendies and things, because we're teaching you guys what not to do.
No, we're actually doing tendies out here.
Maybe you are. You know, this chairlift is one of the craziest contraptions with like the gondola and it sharing the same pole. It's kind of nuts, and like when you're on it, you're like, it's kind of nuts and crazy. Almost as nuts and crazy as today's sticker shout out. We have Nutella with the. Oh, my phone closed. The two stickers on the one on the snowboard, the Roman sticker supporting his college fund, and then the other Evolution sticker on the helmet, looking insane. As well as we got TZ3 is with the also Lego sticker supporting Roman's college fund. You literally put get Roman to college on the helmet, looking insane. That's my son's sticker. We donate 100% of that proceed to his college. But if you want an Evolution sticker, and you're a skier, we do have a ski version of the Evolution sticker as well as our other merch, like the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, so much merch, guys. Literally check out the description. All my snowboard gear, all of our merch is there. It supports the dream. It's how we do this for a living. And then if you do snag any of it, just tag us on our Instagram and we'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs in the vlogs. There's speakers on these towers. Give you guys shout outs in the vlogs like we just did, but also follow on Instagram and the TikTok for bonus extra content. We literally just had a TikTok go viral while we were out here in Mammoth, which is really cool to get a snowboard video to go viral in the summertime. So we're stoked. It's the fact that we're still snowboarding in the summer, we're stoked. So all right, let's keep sending it. We're gonna go for like some front board 2-7s out and just some other tricks in the smaller park. Still getting used to the new deck. Once again, this is day 2 on it, and then like we're getting close to our end of our time here in Mammoth, and we're gonna hit the Unbound, the bigger park, the next couple days hard. We were just kind of waiting for that warmer weather. Today's still like holding on to the cold, but tomorrow it's gonna break. It's gonna be warm, 70 degrees on the mountain. Ooh. Here we go. Oh. 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 We got close on that one.
Oh, that was scary.
I was trying to do the hard way again. No matter how comfortable you get in the park, how good you get, you will make beginner mistakes throughout your time in the park. You're gonna fall in the park, guys. That's a reality of it.
Get your heart rate up a little bit.
Yeah, I'm alive now, man. Woo! Guys, I'm gonna show you something pretty cool. You ready? Can you see that? Oh, the chairlift is kind of in the way. I'll get you another one. It's a halo! Wow. Oh, dude, I'm in my head right now. Yeah, sometimes like I'm thinking about like doing a trick. It's the one that's on my mind. Because I'm thinking about it so much, it's affecting all the other runs that I'm doing. It really does happen. We were waiting for you up top.
Sorry.
And then you guys are down here waiting for us. It happens also. Mike's getting on the mic, changing filmers. Cody's getting some laps now.
Aww. Look
Mike,
at you.
Mike on mic.
Let's go!
I want to get like...
You!
Gotta catch my breath out of that one. He's going for another fence! Oh!
I missed it. Gotta get one run with you.
Oh, heck yeah, you can roll up with us.
Hey!
There's no speed for that thing. By the way, this is Chipmunk.
Chippy, 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 Tom do a flippy.
Oh, I lost it. I froze. I missed the grab. Let's get out of here. Oh, wait. Oh.
What?
We're good.
I just wiped it.
Cool.
It just happened.
But with Michael's wipe, well, let's film the crew out of here and then we'll end it down the slush cavern.
It's slushy.
Super slush in this section. Wasn't worth it. All right, Team Buckhouse, we gotta go on the other side of those trees. So with that, thank you so much for shredding with us today. I hope you got something out of today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow with another video because it is daily on this Snowboard channel.